Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome if you are new. If you are an existing subscriber, welcome back. This is another video with the Glitter Girls, so this is part of the collaboration, and this month we were doing positivity and good vibes, so this is my take on that. I wanted this to be a really fun set of nails, and so I was trying a few new things, and as usual glitter is involved, and I tried to use quite a lot of glitter on this one, so I hope that you like the finished result. The glitters that I'm using are from Smiley's glitter store. I got them a while ago. Some of them I've used before, but I've not really put them on a full nail before, so I'm just trying to do that today, and I really love working with glitters anyway, so this was really fun for me. I really enjoyed doing it, and that is the whole purpose of this collaboration today. It's to send love and fun and positivity to others, and that is what I'm doing today. So the first polish that I put on that pinky nail was a Venalisa one. It's a lilac colour, and I really like that colour because it's got like a shimmer to it as well that you can't really see, but it's a really nice colour and it went perfect with the glitter that I want to use on that finger. So on the ring finger I am just using the white from Aimeili, and then I'm going to cure each coat for 30 seconds. I'm not going to show you me putting both coats on, I'm just going to show you me putting the first coat on. So I'm also putting the white on that middle finger, and then on the index finger I am going to be using a neon pink gel polish. And I will put links to everything in the description box, so if you want these exact colours you know where to get them. And all the numbers and everything will be on there that you need. I have shown them on screen, but sometimes I do it a bit quick so you can't really see what the number is. This one is an Elite 99 one. I've not used this in a long time, so the brush was gone a bit funny in the bottle, but it still works. You can hardly see it. It's just a really nice shimmery pink. It just gives a bit of shimmer, and I just wanted something underneath the glitter just to see if it would show through or not, because I'm kind of experimenting with this as well today, because I'm going to be encapsulating the glitter in some polygel. And I like to use the really clear polygel so it shows through, but on this one I wanted it to be a bit cloudy, a bit sort of milky, so I'm just testing that to see if that's how it turns out, so we'll see at the end. So here are the glitters that I've got. So I've got Neon Hot Pink Disco Mix. This is gorgeous, it's a really nice pink, and it's got holographic specks in it as well of different colours. This one, Bubbly Bubbles, it doesn't look much in the bag, but when you put it over white it's got really nice colours in it. This next one is Bubblegum. It reminds me of confetti a little bit. I really like that one. And this is Attitude. This is more like a metallic chunky one. I really like this one as well, and I've never done a full nail with this one, so I'm excited to see what that's going to look like. So I am just putting a base coat on over these gel polishes. And then I'm going to leave that wet, and I'm going to put the glitter into them. I've tried putting glitter on the tacky layer and things like that, and that does work, but for me I prefer this method because you get more glitter and it sticks on a bit better than it does to the tacky layer. And the chunky glitter won't usually stick to the tacky layer. It's a bit too heavy, a bit too big, so that's why I like using a wet base coat. And then when I've put enough glitter on, I make sure that I clean all around the nail with a brush and some alcohol, and then I'll cure that base coat so that the glitter's not going anywhere. As with all these collaborations, there will be a playlist in the description box, so if you've not come to this video through the playlist, just go to that playlist and click on it, and then you'll be taken to all of the videos on there. So every other person who's done a video, they will be on there, and you'll be able to see their videos. So make sure you watch them all, because they are a fantastic group of people, and they all deserve their videos to be watched. Some have been doing it for a while and some are new, so yeah, you get a real mix of different people doing all these videos, and I love it. It's a really good thing to see. Yeah, I think we all need a bit of love, we all need a bit of positivity sometimes when things aren't going right, so these nails are what I consider to be good vibe nails. I love my glitter, I love my colours, my bright colours, my pinks and purples, and that's exactly what this says. I absolutely love these. Once again, I just want to say a big thank you to Sarah from Pumpkin's Nail Station, because she always organises these collabs for us. She is amazing and she does a brilliant job. I don't know how she keeps sane with us all, asking her questions and her helping us all the time, but she does. She is amazing. So thank you, Sarah, again. So I will come back to you when I've put the glitter on, and I'll show you what I'm going to do next.
Do you want to dance?
So here I've got some little fimos, and I was so excited to get these because everyone's using it at the moment, and I wanted to have a go myself. So I got some of these little fimos, and there were some heart ones and some smiley faces and things like that. So I thought, oh, I'm going to stick some of these on, see how we go. So I've never used these before, so this was a learning curve for me. So what I did first was I just put some base coat on, and as usual, I think I've left this wet while I put the fimos on. I can't actually remember what I did. So I'm using this base coat just to get into all the gaps between those chunky glitters and the fine glitters as well, just to make sure that I'm filling all those gaps in and there isn't going to be like big holes or bubbles or anything like that when I've finished. I'm just using a bit more of the base coat, or it might be, no, I think this is top coat, what you can see me putting on, just little blobs of the top coat. So the base coat's still wet, but I'm putting the fimos on with some top coat. And I'm just putting them on any old way. I'm not, I'm not being uniform with it. I'm just sticking them on because this is fun. And then I'm going in with this gel-like from EC Cosmetics, this polygel. Now this isn't, it is a clear one, but it's not clear, if you get what I mean. It's a bit cloudy, this one. So I'm using this because, not because I want to cover the glitter up, well I do slightly, because I want the glitter to sort of shimmer from underneath and not, not be so in your face, because I don't want it to overtake those fimos. I want those to be stuck out and those to be sort of the main focus and the glitter in the background. So I'm just trying this way to see if it'll work. And the thing with the fimos is, if you file a little bit of it away when you're filing, it's okay, because they are quite thick and the design goes right through them. It's not like it's just painted on the top. So you can file into them a little bit, as long as you don't file the edges off. I think I did that on one of the smiley faces. I think I sort of filed a bit of the edge off, but you can still see it in the end result. It looks good. So yeah, I'm just putting this polygel on all of the nails, and then I will file it and buff it, and I will come back for top coating time.
Do you want to dance? Do you want to dance?
Okay, so I'm just top coating them all now, and I will see if that glitter comes through or not. It is doing on that pinky finger. I love these nails, they are so fun. So I think those fimos really make it pop. I love using those, they are really fun to use. So on this one I used the Bubbly Bubbles glitter, those chunky little discs, and you can't really see them that much because I think I used a bit too much of the polygel, and it's clouded over them a bit much, but when you look at them close up you can see it sort of hiding there in the background. It does look good, but I think for experiment's sake, I think next time I'd just definitely use a clearer polygel, or maybe even a builder gel. So here is the finished result. What do you think? I really hope that you like them. I hope you think that they're as fun as I do. I absolutely love them. I'm just going to come up a bit closer on each one so that you can see all that glitter. So that pinky one, that's the Attitude glitter. That's like the metallic-y one. I really like those discs in that one. And then the ring finger was the coconut, sorry, not coconut, bubblegum glitter. I like that one. And then here's the Bubbly Bubbles. I'll just move the nail from side to side so you can see the colours sort of shining through a little bit. And you can see that cute little heart and the butterfly. They are so gorgeous. And then here is the pink disco mix one with that smiley. I love that smiley, but I did file a bit of the edge off. I still kept his face on though, that's okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you watch all of the other videos in the collab and let me know what you think in the comments. Please like and subscribe if you are not already, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I upload. I try to upload a couple of times a week. So yeah, come back and see some more videos. I will see you next time.